What's going on, people? Thank you for stopping by. Yes, I'm outside. Hurricane Florence is pounding North Carolina right now, and we got a break from the rain, as you can tell, but the wind is also picking up. But I'm not letting Hurricane Florence stop me from going fishing. So without further ado, less talking, more action. Let's get it. That was a bass. That was a nice sized bass that tried to eat it. Dang it. Come on. Come on. Man, the bass are here. I had 2 hits. One was a decent size, about 2 pounds. Come on. Gosh. Come on now. Come on. That was a big, big hit. Come on now. Rain stopped, the bites get turned on. The rain starts, the bite is off. That's a mean one. What are you doing, catfish? What in the world? Come on. A catfish chasing a spinner. Wow. Never seen that. Hold on. I'm gonna get you back in the water. Let me go get the pliers. Catfish chasing my spinner. What in the world? Never seen that before. Oh, he's trying to swim back out. Well, so first for everything. Can you believe that? Can you believe this? A catfish chasing a spinner. Never did that. Never. Awesome. No easy way to do this. Wow. Now that was amazing. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, Hurricane Florence is not going to stop me from going fishing, as you can tell. But if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what you all think. Until then, I'm Don. It's Adventure TV 919. Peace.